So welcome to Const Correctness. So the keyword is const. You actually know that keyword from previous programming knowledge, concepts, courses, classes, whatever. So you've heard that before, but it's not, in a lot of books, it's not emphasized, meaning that if you abuse it and you don't put const in the problems in certain front of variables and stuff like that, somebody else could access it and change that. And in many cases, that's bad news. So we want to use the const keyword anytime that we know that there really should not be any variable changes. And you're going to see when to use that throughout. Other than just literally putting const in front of a variable, which you already know, there is some other aspects that we have to worry about. And that's because Java and C++ are strongly typed languages, and they try to catch most of the invalid things that will happen at compile time rather than at runtime. So the const really helps with that, saying, look, this is not supposed to be touched. As the compiler is running, goes, wait a minute, you're changing it here, but you said you want a const. Here's the warning. So that stops you before you get into the runtime of that. If we circumvent things, there's always a way around things. If we circumvent things, they end up biting us in the butt. So we really don't want to do that, especially when if you've put the effort in and put in it as a const, the darn thing's not supposed to change. So that's why we want to do all this, because you're really trying to take advantage of basically being able to lock down variables. Because again, I know that you're mostly doing projects on your own, but if you happen to be working with somebody else and they're assigned a certain object, you're assigned another object, but they start to intermingle after a while, you want to basically pump the brakes on them saying, look, you're not supposed to change this. So leave it be, or we got to figure out another way around that. And that's what we're going to talk about for the rest of the videos for this playlist.